There's a beautiful story about a man climbing a steep mountain. Meron ba sa inyo yung mahilig umakyat sa mundo? Siguro wala naman kasi puro pataklay dito. Tulad sa amin, ang daming mundo sa amin na pwede mo akyatin. Halfway up, exhausted, and ready to quit, he sat down and said, I cannot take another step. Yung pag-una, nanginginig niya yung pa. As the first race, an old guy quietly sat beside him and waited toward the sunrise. As the first rays of light broke through darkness, dapat sila nilagay tapos madaling araw na. Tapos wala pa, masikat na naman yung araw. The guy smiled and said, the mountain has not become swollen, but now you will see where are you going. The man stood up not because the climb became easier, but because the light gave him hope. That is the meaning of today's feast of the Transfiguration. Before Jesus would carry the cross to Calvary, he first revealed his glory on Mount Tabor. Kung hindi nakita nila Peter, James, Indian, yung kakalmatian ng aming Panginoon, sa tingin niyo, may lakas po kaya silang magpatuloy. Since Peter, James, and John saw his face shining like the sun, and his clothes dazzling white. For one unforgettable moment, heaven touched the earth. Nasunyapan nila yung kalwalhatian natin kung parang foretaste kung paano ang mangyayari ng buhay natin sa langit. Patikin. Peter cried out, Lord, it is good that we are here. Minsan na naman tayo ng iba. Kapag nandun tayo sa sitwasyon na masagana, masaya, panood natin ang buhay natin, parang ayaw na natin bitawan, ayaw na natin iwan ang lugar na yun. Iwan. Who would want to stay there? But Jesus did not allow them to remain the mountain. Hindi sila pinayagan ng ating Panginoon. Leading back down, back to the sea, the suffering, the doubting, and eventually to the cross. Because faith is not about escaping life's struggles. Ang pananampalataya ay hindi pagtalikod sa mga pagsubok na dadaanan natin. Faith is receiving God's life so that we can face them with guidance. Brothers and sisters, every time we come to Mass, every time we live in prayer, every time we experience God's forgiveness or feel His presence, we are standing for a moment for our own Mount Tabor. But when the Mass ends, Jesus sends us back into the world, to our homes, our workplace, our schools, our hospitals, and our daily responsibilities, not to carry blame, but na ba natin, nalagdagan na ba natin ang liwanag ng ating Panginoon Hesus na natanggap natin sa loob ng banal na misa? The world does not darkness, it needs Christians whose faces reflect hope, whose words bring encouragement, whose hands heals, whose hearts forgive, and whose lives reveal Christ. Kaya nakikita na po ba sa bawat ginagawa natin, sinasabi natin ang imahe ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Dahil hindi naman anong silbi ng pagsisimba natin, anong silbi ng pagdadasal natin, kung hindi naman nakikita, hindi naman tayo tatawag ng transfiguration, walang magpapago sa buhay natin, di ba? Dahil dapat makita ng magbunga ang ating pananampalataya, magliwanag tulad ng ating Panginoon. Today, the Father speaks not only to Philippines in Yan, but to each one of us. This is my beloved Son. Listen to him. Nakikinig ka po tayo sa utos ng ating Panginoon sa atin, sa mga gusto niya ipagawa sa atin. Napapakinggan pa ba natin ang tinig ng Diyos sa dami ng distraction sa mundo ngayon? Ang cellphone, unang-unang distraction sa atin, di ba? Hindi sa magdasal tayo sa umaga, cellphone agad ang tawag natin. Kaya, pagkagising pa lang natin, minsan, hindi na natin alam kung ano ang gustong ipagawa sa atin ng ating Panginoon sa araw na ito, ngayon. Hindi ba? Kasi na-distract agad tayo ng cellphone. If we truly listen to Jesus, we will transform not only our faces, but our hearts. And when people look at us, they will not simply see who we are. They will catch a glimpse of the light of Christ shining through us. Kaya, nakikita nga po ba na nagliliwanag tulad ng ating Panginoon Jesus ang ating buhay sa bawat ginagawa natin, sa bawat sinasabi natin. Si Kristo nga ba ang nakikita nila sa atin? May we live this church today, carrying the light of Mount Tabor into everybody we